In today's video, we're going to learn something really important. What to do if you ever get lost in the wild and need to survive by catching birds. I'll be showing you several practical ways to do this. For today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on a bird called the rauk, which is known in English as the white-breasted waterhen. At first, I'll place one bird inside a cage and hold out my hand in front of it. Then, by playing its natural call through a speaker, other birds will be attracted to the sound. When they come closer, they'll unknowingly step into the trap and get caught. But don't worry, this isn't only about cages. I'll also show you a method using just simple strings or threads. When the birds walk into these setups, they'll get caught without even realizing it. Throughout this video, I'll be demonstrating both techniques, using cages and using thread, so you can clearly see how the process works. Now, let me make one thing very clear. I personally find these birds absolutely beautiful, and I love watching them. Please remember, never catch birds without a real need. Only do this when survival truly depends on it. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the full video without skipping. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because creating videos like this takes a lot of effort, and your support means the world to us.